Danny Mendoza, the husband of our late sister Niam Mendoza. On behalf of our family, we would like to thank you all for coming to celebrate with us the homecoming of our sister Niam. Niam has been a good friend, a loving mother, and a beloved grandmother. Being married to her for 51 plus years was a great blessing. She was so caring, friendly, sincere, and generous. Niam was born on November 2nd, 1950, in a small village of Marca, in the town of Cam Ranh, South Vietnam. She was the eldest among 6 siblings. Her father was serving in the military and was killed in the war when Niam was 12 years old. While her mother was a merchant, Niam took care of her younger siblings. She graduated from high school, the highest education she attained due to financial challenges. At the age of 16, she and her mom worked for the U.S. Naval Base, Cam Ranh Bay, a joint military of the U.S. and Vietnamese navies. She worked as a clerk typist, while her mom worked as a janitor. It was a good paying job. It was there where I met him. She was simple, friendly, and a generous person. She was so dedicated to her job and never entertained the word idleness. She was so elusive since she worked for a division officer and never had the opportunity to talk to her. It was simply highs and good mornings, but not long after, Cupid found its mark. There were many sleepless nights where I was trying to think of a good strategy to get to know her. Then I recalled what my great-grandmother's advice was. She said, if you want to pick a fruit from a tree, start climbing its trunk. So I got friendly with her mom. The language barrier was an obstacle, but as time passed, good results showed, and love slowly blossomed. Then we got married. We left Vietnam in 1972 for the USA. 2 things were cemented in Niam's mind: go to school and go to work. When our 2 sons turned 6 and 8 years old, she worked 3 days a week as a waitress from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. After a few months, she moved to Catalina Clothing Company, working days, and at night, she works at Bingo Palace serving refreshments. Catalina Clothing Company employs seasonally, so during the off-season, she attended school to complete her GED. During my deployment at sea, Niam quit her job to be home with our kids, taking on the role of both mother and father. When we transferred to Australia, Angela came along. After I retired from the U.S. Navy, we moved here to San Jose. There were 3 things again that she had on her mind: work, school, and church. She attended a vocational school in accounting and graduated and went job hunting. She worked for an agency so nothing was permanent for a while. The longest job she held was in Santa Clara County until COVID came. After that, she decided to stay home to babysit our grandchildren. She found a Vietnamese church through the radio, and that's where we worshiped until the day of her passing. Niam was a very devoted grandmother, and our grandchildren loved her so much. Married life was not a smooth sailing. At times we had rough weather and calm waters. Through our 51 plus years of marriage, I've learned to adapt to various situations because true love entails forgiveness, support, sincerity, patience, and understanding. Mom, thanks for everything. You have been my pillar for all the years we have been together. I'm not a perfect father, yet you did not stop, it did not stop you from loving me. I've been missing you. I love you, Mom.